Hey guys, welcome to this short tutorial on how to clear RAM on your iPhone 10. You're going to go to Settings, Accessibility, then Touch, and then turn on Assistive Touch. So as you just saw, a little virtual home button comes up on your screen and it is quite powerful. You can do a lot with it. And now you're going to power off your iPhone, so volume up, volume down, and the side button to go to that power off screen. You're not going to power it down though. So you've got to that screen and then you're going to hold down on that new virtual home button that you've just put there, and it's going to go to this, and that's how you know it's done. You can enter your passcode, unlock it, and it's done. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more good content coming soon.